Bakit ang sweet niyo?
Wala, namiss ko lang. Okay lang ba yun? Pwede lang ba yun? Pwede magtanong, Evan, namiss mo ba ako? Madali naman yung sagot, oo, hindi lang eh.
No comment.
Kailangan mo ng tissue, sandali.
Bert, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Okay, sige. Ano na lang,
Oo naman, syempre mag-miss. Ilang years na naman kami magkasama. And, and yes, miss ko sila.
yung question ko talaga is, as a, kayo yung pioneer dito sa book, how do you feel kayong dalawa na, eto na, final chapter na yung story ng book. Kayo yung pioneer, tapos ngayon ending na, anong pakiramdam mo?
Siyempre sad, no? Ako sad ako. Hindi ko lang sa'yo.
Oo naman, syempre. Syempre, sinimulan namin yung university series without knowing na ganito pala siya magiging kalaki. And marami kami mapapasayang tao and mag-grow up din with us. And so, feeling ko like, masaya and malungkot at the same time. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kasama na, ito yung mga kasamahan ko na gusto ko sana hanggang sa pagtanda, diba? Pero ganun talaga, last book na, kailangan na mag-bye-bye, but grateful na ako yung napili as Yuna. And so,
Marco, dun sa series nyo, sa first, you wrote on si Calix, and
Yes po.
naghintay siya ng 10 years para kay Luna. Handa ka bang gawin yun in real life?
Listen. I think everyone here knows what happened between us. You know, we're exes and everything. To be quite honest with you, I would like to not put too much pressure onto that topic, just because obviously as exes we had that phase na medyo nagkakainitan kami, so parang ngayon parang mas sobrang okay na kami. As in, walang galit, walang kahit ano. So we're really just, I'm happy being around you. I mean, I don't know, the others seen it. And it's nice to work with you. So work na lang muna tayo, okay lang ba? Pero I'm really just, I'm happy at the state that we are now. And let's see wherever it leads. Yeah.
In Heaven, yung connected sa question, yung role mo sa Luna, tapos naghintay si Calix, ikaw ba handa kang pabalikin yung naghintay sa'yo?
oo naman. Pero syempre, I mean, 10 years din yun So 10 years na ang dami ng pagkakaiba, kumbaga, yung growth mo. So, oo, pinipili niyo pa rin yung isa't isa after ilang years. And, oo, kung ibang tao na kayo talaga. Like, syempre hindi ka naman pwede pumasok ulit ng relationship niya na let's say second chance. And then, expecting na different yung outcome, diba? So, dapat, by that time, kung magkakaroon kayo ng second chance, dapat mag-grow na talaga kayo. And mas mature na kayo. Diba? And you choose each other. So,
Pero ang comment mo na walang pressure, masaya lang.
Kasi ayoko naman din yung maghintay sa akin. Siyempre gusto ko kung sino man yun, gusto ko, you know, he lived his life or, I mean, diba, para he grows din and he's happy living his life. That's okay lang. Pero if you guys are really meant for each other, I believe na itatagay na itatagay mo. So, thank you.